Hi everyone, here we've got a WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's go to the settings. Here let's find and click on apps and let's tap on this three dots icon. As you can see here, we've got a reset app preferences, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, backup data restrictions, and any permission restrictions. If you are ready, click on reset apps, and that's all. You've just reset apps in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.